Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to combine multiple IP addresses into a comma separated string in Excel. Alright, so I have a list of IP addresses here and I have a space here because I wanted to show you that the function, in this case the TEXTJOIN function that I'm going to use to combine these IP addresses will ignore the empty cells. All right, so equals text join open parenthesis, and I'm going to use the comma as the delimiter, and then true to ignore empty cells, like I said, and then text one. This is where you select the list of IP addresses. So I'm going to select the list of IP addresses and close the parenthesis. All right, so we can see that let me just copy this and values. Yeah, so we can see that the empty cell was ignored. So this is the IP addresses. I mean, this is the IP, right? .50 and .200. So there is no space in between. All right, so that's how you can combine multiple IP addresses into a comma separated string using the text join function in Excel. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.